Good morning and welcome to the Steve Jobs Theater. Today, I am thrilled to share with you the newest iPhone. This is iPhone 11, the next generation of iPhone, and it is jam-packed with great new capabilities and an incredible new design.
iPhone 11 comes in 6 new colors with an all-new purple, white, yellow, green, black, and product red. It has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display with True Tone, wide color, tap to wake, and haptic touch. And now we have spatial audio, which provides an immersive theater-like experience. And we support Dolby Atmos for an incredible sound experience. iPhone is the world's most popular camera, and it gets even better with iPhone 11. We have an amazing dual camera system with an all-new wide camera, with a new sensor, with 100% focus pixels. And we have a new ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. This will let you capture way more in your photos and videos. So now, when you're taking a wide camera shot, you'll see our new immersive camera interface that lets you see outside the frame, hinting at a bigger shot. We have stereoscopic depth, so now you can also take portraits of your favorite pets. Yay, pets! Let's talk about night mode. Here's an image with night mode turned off. Here it is with night mode turned on. So when taking video, you can easily tap to switch to the ultra-wide camera to capture even more in your scene. You can also use the zoom wheel to just transition easily between the two cameras. We support 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second, slow-mo, time-lapse, cinematic video stabilization, and now extended dynamic range at 4K up to 60 frames per second. And this is across both cameras, which is pretty cool. So now when you're taking photos and you decide you want to take a quick video, simply tap and hold the shutter button to record a video. We've also updated our front TrueDepth camera to a wider 12-megapixel sensor. Also on the front camera, we've added 4K video with extended dynamic range up to 30 frames per second. Now we've also added slow motion video to the front camera for the first time. Well, now we're introducing the A13 Bionic, the next generation of our industry-leading chip. The A13 is the fastest CPU ever in a smartphone. It is also the fastest GPU ever in a smartphone. All right, so battery. We know that battery life is really important to customers. So with the advancements in iPhone 11, it'll still have an hour more than battery than in your iPhone XR. So we're really excited to offer iPhone 11 at just $699.
The new iPhone 11 is simply amazing, but we didn't stop there, and I'm thrilled to introduce it to you now. This is the iPhone 11 Pro, and these are the most powerful and most advanced iPhones that we have ever built.
This is the most advanced and detailed iPhone we've made yet. That back is a single piece of machined glass with an optical PVD coating. It is a beautiful new matte textured finish that looks great and feels awesome in your hand. It comes in 2 sizes, 5.8 inches and 6.5 inches. They have the highest pixel density of any display Apple makes. In addition to that, it has the spatial audio sound that Cayenne told you about. It has HDR10, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. So we decided it's worthy of a new name. We call it the Super Retina XDR display. That with iPhone 11 Pro, you now get up to 4 hours longer in your day. And with iPhone 11 Pro Max, up to 5 hours longer in your day. And we're also including our fast charge 18-watt adapter in the box, so you can charge them all faster too. This is the first iPhone that we've had, a camera system that we call Pro. First, it has a new wide camera that has a fast f1.8 aperture. It is a new telephoto camera with a larger f2.0 aperture. It lets in 40% more light. And has a new ultra-wide camera with a super wide 120-degree field of view. With the telephoto camera and the ultra-wide, you have the ability to zoom in 2 times and zoom out 2 times. That's a 4x optical zoom range. Now we want to give you a sneak peek of a new feature coming in the camera that will be available with a software update this fall, but it's so cool we had to tell you about it. A whole brand new kind of image processing system We call it deep fusion. So this is a photo that was shot on an iPhone 11 Pro using this deep fusion technology. And this kind of an image would not have been possible before. All right, you ready for this? What it does, it shoots 9 images. Before you press the shutter button, it's already shot 4 short images, 4 secondary images. When you press the shutter button, it takes 1 long exposure, selecting all the pixels, and pixel by pixel, going through 24 million pixels to optimize for detail and low noise, like you see in the sweater there. iPhone 11 Pro is a powerful new video camera system. All 3 cameras shoot 4K, 60 frames a second, extended dynamic range video with beautiful highlights and shadow details. We actually paired the 3 cameras right at the factory, calibrating them for color and exposure. And for pros who want to edit this video quickly on device, now with iOS 13, we have new advanced video editing features built into the Photos app. In addition to the triple camera system, A13 Bionic, longer battery life, faster charging, new designs. There's also faster cellular, better water resistance, stronger glass, and so much more. We think this is the most exciting iPhone we've made yet. iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro are our most advanced phones. We think everyone's going to want to show them off. And some people like to protect them with cases. So we have a new line of cases for them as well, including clear cases for all 3 models. So this is our lineup of 3 new iPhones, starting at $699, $999, and $1,099. In addition to that, we're going to keep iPhone XR in the line, starting at just $599, and iPhone 8 at $449.
Thank you and have a great day.